Hey, hi, welcome guys. Welcome back to our channel, which is Five Rounds. And today I'm going to discuss about confusion matrix. What is the confusion matrix and how the confusion matrix is going to create so many confusion in the place of data scientist. So even when I started also to implement this kind of confusion matrix, I also faced the same thing. But yes, I got a conclusion how to, how to read out down the confusion matrix so that everyone can be able to understand, right? So before going to jump into the topic, I would like to give the highlight of my back means previous sessions, what we had discussed in the previous session. We had discussed in the previous session like a decision tree, what is decision tree, how to implement a decision tree with the help of the Python. Everything we had seen in my previous session from scratch. And I had committed I'll deploy the machine learning model in one of the production server, and we will see how it is going to be work. So end to end complete implementation we will show in front of you. So before going to jump into the deployment part, I thought confusion matrix I would like to highlight here so that you can also be able to understand how the confusion matrix is going to be work, right? So without getting delay, I would like to jump into the topic. What is the confusion matrix? Okay, so basically I'll take one example of pregnant. Let's suppose, right now everything is going to be automated, means all the in every domain, each and every domain, machine learning concept came into the picture. Either you are going into the automotive domain, if you are going to the health care domain, if you are going in any kind, means if you're coming into the IT sector, the IT sector completely moved into the ML and DL. Why I am saying, see, if you can go to the any healthcare domain right now, corona testing, from corona testing to cancer testing, everything is going to be happen by automated service. They are asking some few of question behalf of that question, and also if they are taking some x-ray or something, whatever it is, before going to do the testing, they are doing some image processing on the top of the x-ray, and they are going to, you don't need to go to in front of doctor, or you have to show your x-ray to the machine, and machine will tell what the with which disease you are going to suffer, right? So that's the complete thing we had automated. Now in everything, in order to jump in any domain, you should know the confusion matrix. And I'm going to say literally this will make a lot of confusion here, guys, lot of confusion. But if you know one story behind of that, how the one story means, I'm going to everything, whatever topic I'm going to cover, I always cover with one of the story, so people will never get forget about that, right? Let's suppose I create a one healthcare machine, means I want to check, means suppose I I have one hospital, and in this hospital I created one machine, and machine will identify the coming lady is pregnant or not, right? So how it is going to be happen? Let's suppose I want to test approximately 1000 lady in a day. So what I have to do, I have to go to in front of machine, means lady has to go in front of machine, and machine will check her body, and he will mark her as a pregnant or not pregnant, right? So let's suppose 1000 lady went, and out of 1000, machine is able to say, means 500 is pregnant or 500 is not pregnant, means 50-50% chances. Let's suppose I have a I have already, I did a one manual testing before going to check the accuracy of the machine, whether I have to check the accuracy of the machine, right, before going to make it in the production. So before make it live, I would like to check this machine is giving the correct output or not. So what I did, I collect 100 data, means 100 lady report I collected, and in this 100 lady already we had marked, means output column we have. And now what I'm going to say, see, this lady 1, lady 2, lady 3, everything is there. He is pregnant, yes. He is not pregnant, yes, no, like this. And now lady 1 went in front of machine, and machine is saying, yes, you are pregnant. And my actual result is also saying, yes, you are pregnant. So both are matching, means machine and human, you can say human observation, both are getting matched, right? So in this case is fine. But here in case number 2, this second lady went in front of machine, and machine is saying yes you are pregnant, but actually she is not pregnant, right? So this is the things means basically this is my actual result, you can say actual result, and this is my predicted result. Predicted also saying yes, and in this case also saying yes. So that's what I convert. In order to understand the confusion matrix, you have to distribute your matrix into the two part. One is actual part, here is the actual, okay, row is the actual. I will make it different color so it will be easy for you. Row is actual and columns are predicted. So what I'm saying, see, actually no means there are total 60 ladies are there. Total is 165. You can say total 165 lady we are going to test. 165 lady we are going to test. Pregnancy test we are going to do for the 165 lady. Now out of 165, 60 are actually not pregnant and 105 are actually pregnant. Now I'll see what the machine is saying. So in this case, actually you can see this with this diagram. Actually 60 ladies are those which are not pregnant, but machine here predicted no means what do you mean by this predicted no? 50 are those cases in which machine is also saying no you are not pregnant. Out of 60, 50 are those cases in which machine is also saying you are not pregnant, means it is correct. So what is that? Means truly identified false. Means truly identified false means truly he's saying that machine is saying yes you are not pregnant. That's what it is known as the true negative. True negative, because it's a negative and machine is also saying negative. That's what it's a true negative. Now coming to the second place. Second place is what? False positive. What do you mean by the false positive? Just try to understand what is this case. In this case, lady is the 10 are those cases out of 60. 10 are those cases in which lady is not pregnant. Actually she is not pregnant, but machine is saying yes you are pregnant. So 10 are wrong predicted. So see, false. Why it is false? Because false is predicted false. And why it is positive? Because she is not pregnant, but machine is predicting yes you are pregnant. That's what it is saying. False positive. False is what? False for wrong prediction. False, F for wrong prediction, and P for positive. Means falsely identified as a positive, means falsely identified as a pregnant, which is not correct, right? Now coming to this, here 105 are those cases in which lady are actually pregnant, means that lady is actually pregnant. But let's see here, what is that? 5 are those cases which is identified here, in which lady is actually pregnant, but machine is saying no you are not pregnant. Again it is wrong. See, we have to reduce this count. This 2 count we have to reduce. This is known as the means wrong predicted value. And why it is false negative? First thing, it is wrongly predicted, so that's what it is F. Now what is negative? What is N? N is basically stand for negative. And negative, why it is negative? Because it should be yes, it should be yes, it should be positive, but wrongly identified as a negative. So that's what N came. For F, why F came, you understood. Why N came, you understood. So that's what false negative it is. Now coming to the true positive. What do you mean by the true positive here? True positive in the sense of, you can say here like this, means true. There is 100 cases are there where out of 105 lady, 100 are those cases in which lady identified as actually pregnant, means 105 to actually pregnant, but machine identified 100 as a actual pregnant. Got it? Means 105 we have actual pregnant, but machine is saying no, out of 100 only 100 is actual pregnant. Got it? So truly identified as a pregnant. So why true positive it is? Because it's true identified. That's what true, this right prediction. And positive is what? Why it is known as the, why P came? Because truly identified C is pregnant. Hope you understood this complete fashion, complete story, complete scenario, how we are going to read down the confusion matrix. Lot of things. If you can able to plot the confusion matrix, there are a lot of things to know, like this. You can say, if you have seen my ROC and AUC session, then there I had discussed like a true positive rate and true negative rate. What is TPR and TNR? True positive rate and TPR, and TNR stands for true negative rate. What is the true positive rate? Basically, see, everything will work. Means I could say I want to make a model, and I want to, my product manager is saying, okay, Rajesh, you had created one model. So your model means how much giving the correct output, not how much giving the wrong output, that doesn't matter, but how much giving the correct output. That is known as the true positive. But if my product manager is interested to know, okay, Rajesh, you made a model. So out this model, how many giving the wrong information? So that is coming under the true negative rate. So basically true positive rate is what, just try to understand here guys. True positive rate means truly identified she is pregnant, TP divided by total pregnant. Means what is the total pregnant? Can anyone tell me? The truly identified she is pregnant is 100 divided by total pregnant. Okay, total pregnant means 105, means FN plus TP. Got it? This is known as the true positive rate. Now what is the true positive here? Truly identify is 100, and what is the total? 105. Got it? So this is known as the TPR, true positive rate. Now coming to the TNR. What is the TNR then? TNR is means I don't care about the what the correct prediction you are doing, what the correct prediction my model is doing. I don't care about that. I want to know how many numbers of lady as predicted wrongly. So that is my intuitions here. So basically true negative is nothing but you can say, let me show you. True negative means TN divided by TN plus FP, means truly identify whether she is not pregnant. So how many is those? 50 divided by total is 60. So you can say this is my TNR. Next thing is coming as a accuracy. See, again, at the end of your all session, picture will end at your accuracy. What is your accuracy of your model? If your accuracy will not up to the mark, none of your manager, product manager, or tech head or anyone will consider your model. So you have to check your accuracy. How we are going to check our accuracy? Basically, so in this case, you can say these two things are very important. Means this is the thing, these two number, this two number, true negative and true positive. Means true negative is what? Just pronunciate with me. True negative in the sense of, means lady is not pregnant and machine is also saying no, you are not pregnant. Both are same. True positive in the sense of lady is actually pregnant and machine is also saying yes, you are pregnant. So these two things. So accuracy is what? True positive plus true negative divided by total, means TN plus FP plus FN plus TP. This is known as the accuracy. So what is the true positive here? Was 50 plus 100 divided by total is, you can say 155, right? 165, sorry, my bad. So in this way you can calculate the accuracy. Hope you understood this session. Hope you understood the confusion matrix, and I guess after this session none of the confusion will occur in the confusion matrix, right? Thanks for watching this, guys. If you are not subscribed this channel, then I'm requesting to all of you guys, please subscribe this channel so you will never get miss any update from our end. Thank you for watching this.